Today we're gonna have delicious chicken curry. You're gonna love this, family. Okay, for this chicken curry recipe, all you're gonna need is garam masala, curry powder, coriander is optional, extra virgin olive oil, chicken breast, 1 to 2 whole onions, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, coconut milk, 14 ounces of diced tomatoes or 4 whole tomatoes, ground ginger, salt, and pepper. This is going to be a beautiful and delicious dish. And without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, we're going to start off with 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Next, we're going to go ahead and add 1 to 2 whole diced onions. Yes, family. And we're going to go ahead and cook this down till they become golden brown. And that's going to take about anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. At this time, we're going to add 3 to 4 garlic cloves and 1 tablespoon of ginger. And we're going to go ahead and give this a nice mix, family. Yes. And at this time, we're going to go ahead and add 4 tomatoes or 14 ounces of diced canned tomatoes, family. And we're going to go ahead and give this a nice mix. Look at that steam. Okay, let's go ahead and get the mixing, family. And this is smelling beautiful. And we're going to cook this down till the tomatoes get a little soft, just like you see here, family. And at this time, we're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of curry powder. And we're going to go ahead and give this a nice mix. And as you can already tell, family, there's a lot of mixing, so be prepared. All right, now we're going to add 2 pounds of chicken breast. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of black pepper. And we're going to go ahead and give this a nice mix. And we're going to cook this down until it gets about golden brown, family. Just as you see here. And at this time, we're going to go ahead and cover this for 3 to 5 minutes. Let it thicken up a little bit, fam. And this is what we're looking like after 5 minutes. Yes. Now we're going to go ahead and add 10 to 12 ounces of coconut milk. And at this time, family, we're going to thoroughly give this a nice mix. And we are almost done, family. Nice and quick. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add a half teaspoon of garam masala. And you know it, let's go ahead and mix this in, family. Yes. We're going to go ahead and cover this for about 5 to 10 minutes to let this thicken up a little bit more, family. And until then, quick facts. Where is chicken curry originated? The Indian subcontinent. Chicken curry is a dish originated from the Indian subcontinent. It is common in Indian subcontinent, South Asia, Great Britain, and the Caribbean islands. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay. All right, family, and after 10 minutes, this is what we're looking like. And we're going to go ahead and add some parsley for the garnish. And you did this, family. Your chicken curry. Let's go ahead and plate this up for you guys. Yes. Beautiful. And you did this, family. Now, unfortunately, I can't taste test this today. I did make this for a special somebody. But if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 5,000 Ddins. Into our next food adventure. Peace.